Picture a fire within you, burning so fiercely it draws her without a word. What if 95.7% of women crave a man carved from Stoic steel, unmoved by their storms? Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoicism for women unveils 8 brutal truths to forge you into the man she pursues. Stoicism for women isn't about her heart, it's about your mastery, a Stoic masculinity that radiates unshakable worth. In a world of fleeting desires, Stoicism for attraction offers men a path to rise. Ready to claim your Stoic reign? Let's craft the Titan within. Stoic reign builds men who anchor their value in virtue, not her gaze. Marcus Aurelius taught, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Through 8 truths, 16 stories, timeless wisdom, and 7 Stoicism exercises, you'll master emotions, reduce anxiety, and flip the chase. Stoicism for women reveals, the man who needs nothing is the man she wants. This is your forge. First, sharpen the blade of restraint. Women don't chase men who flood their phones or beg for approval. They're pulled to mystery, a man who holds back. Leon, a blacksmith, got Clara's teasing note, but kept forging steel at dawn. Her plea, "Meet me tonight," proved Stoicism for women craves silence. Seneca taught, "Silence is often the wisest reply." Restraint sparks her pursuit. When you itch to reply, pause, ask, "Does this build my worth?" Write the urge, burn it, let her chase. This Stoicism daily habit hones clarity. Tonight, list 3 moments you sought her eyes. Could silence have lit her fire? Second, master the shield of calm. Her tests, sharp words, sudden distance, break most men, but not the Stoic. Elias, a poet, faced Lila's jab to provoke him. He wrote, "I'm crafting verse, wish you well." And her pursuit followed. Epictetus taught, "Freedom lies beyond her chaos." Stoicism for women admires your unshaken core. When anger rises, breathe, count 5, ask, "Does this steal my peace?" Elias's quill under moonlight won Lila's respect. This Stoicism practice builds Stoic masculinity, easing anxiety. Try this. When her sting hits, inhale, ask, "Is calm my power?" Your steady gaze draws her. Recall a moment you snapped. How could a pause have shifted her view? Third, indifference. Neediness dims your flame. Independence ignites it. The third truth is indifference, armor against her validation. When Nora left Caleb, a sculptor, he carved stone, ignoring her taunts. Her note, "Your work is stunning," came later, her respect reborn. Marcus Aurelius taught, "Be unlike those who wrong you." Stoicism for women values your self-sufficiency. Ask nightly, "Is my worth tied to her?" Focus on your craft, study, strength, and she'll pursue. This Stoicism for attraction fuels your fire. Caleb's chisel was his anchor. Try this. List 3 priorities weekly. Ask, "Do these define me?" Your indifference pulls her. Where do you chase her nod? List 3 traps. Ask, "How do I reclaim my power?" Fourth, value through scarcity. Value through scarcity is your edge. The fourth truth, make her earn your time. Constant texts kill mystery. Jake, a merchant, prioritized trade over Ava's calls. His sparse replies doubled her effort. Seneca taught, "Time is our only wealth." Stoicism for women craves your boundaries. When she demands hours, ask, "Does this honor my worth?" Jake's ledger held his focus. This Stoicism dating tactic flips the game. Try this. Wait an hour to reply. Ask, "Is my time hers?" Your scarcity sparks her chase, a Stoicism for men lesson. List 3 moments you gave time freely. Could scarcity have raised your value? Fifth, unspoken tension. Words fade. Presence commands. The 5th truth is unspoken tension, Stoic mastery of the moment. At a feast, Sam locked eyes with Tara, his low, "Not yet." Before stepping back, left her breathless. Zeno taught, Virtue alone brings happiness. A light touch, guiding her through a gate, speaks louder. Nervous? Pause, breathe, ask, does this moment belong to me? Stoicism for women feels your energy. Sam's subtle brush of Tara's arm sparked fire. This Stoicism practice owns space, vital for Stoic masculinity. Try this. Hold eye contact 2 seconds longer. Ask, did I own this? Your presence ignites her, a Stoicism for attraction exercise. Recall a rushed moment. How could presence have shifted her gaze? Sixth, purpose over passion. A man with purpose is a titan. The sixth truth is purpose over passion. After Lena left, Mike dove into his chronicles, his focus drawing her back. Cleanthes taught, wisdom welcomes correction. Stoicism for women admires your mission. When she distracts, ask, does she fuel my fire? Mike's scrolls were his fortress. This Stoicism daily habit drives your legacy. Try this. Write one goal daily. Ask, is this my mark? Your purpose pulls her, a Stoicism for men lesson. List 3 distractions. Ask, how can purpose reclaim my time? Her respect chases your Stoic reign. Seventh, clarity cuts her games. Clarity cuts her games. The seventh truth is a Stoic lens for her tests. Teases, withdrawals. When Elise withdrew, Dan's calm, I'm here when you're ready, broke her ploy. Epictetus taught, community is our strength. Stoicism for women respects your logic. Don't react. Ask, is this her test or my truth? Dan's steady gaze was his shield. This Stoicism dating tactic sharpens focus. Try this. Journal a test you faced. Ask, did I see clearly? Your clarity disarms her, a Stoicism for attraction lesson. Write 1 manipulation. Ask, how can clarity protect me? Eighth, unshakable self-worth. The eighth truth is unshakable self-worth, the Stoic core. Where validation tempts, the man who needs nothing radiates power. After Anna's exit, Gabe trained at dawn, mastering his craft, ignoring her return. Zeno taught, reason is our foundation. Stoicism for women seeks your virtue. When she wavers, ask, is my peace my own? Gabe's dawn labors were his throne. This Stoicism for men anchors your value. Try this. Journal 1 self-worth moment. Ask, did I need her gaze? Your Stoic reign draws her. Write 1 validation trap. Ask, how can virtue free me? Now, let's lock in these truths with 7 simple Stoicism exercises to build your Stoic reign, designed for guys mastering attraction. These are easy steps to stay strong, cut stress, and become the man she chases. Stoicism for women shows, a guy who owns himself is magnetic. Do these and you'll feel the power. First, clear mind. Grab a coin, hold it tight. Say, I'm enough. At night, write down 1 time you stayed strong, like not texting her back right away. Leon wrote, I ignored her tease and felt unstoppable. This Stoicism for men trick keeps you calm and confident. Try it every night. It's like a reset for your Stoic masculinity. Second, stay cool. Before bed, step outside, look up, say, I control my calm. Write down 1 moment you didn't let her drama shake you. Elias wrote, her sharp words didn't get me. This Stoicism dating move tames chaos and builds strength. Do it nightly to keep your cool. Stoicism for women loves a guy who doesn't flinch. Third, find your drive. Each week, write 3 goals that matter to you. Then say, my path is mine. Pick 1 goal and write 1 step you took, like hitting the gym instead of chasing her. Caleb wrote, I focused on my work, not her games. This Stoicism for attraction habit fuels your fire. Try it weekly to stay focused. She'll notice your purpose. Fourth, face fear. Write down 1 thing that scares you. Rip it up, say, I choose truth. Then write how you saw through her test, like spotting her pulling away to mess with you. Dan wrote, "Her silence was her loss, not mine." This Stoicism for men step clears your head. Do it when you feel stuck. Stoicism for women respects your clarity. Fifth, own the moment. Stand tall, say, "I'm in charge here." Write down one time you held her gaze or stayed confident, like pausing before speaking. Sam wrote, "My slow smile got her attention." This Stoicism practice makes you magnetic. Try it daily to boost Stoic masculinity. Stoicism for attraction thrives on your presence. Sixth, set limits. Write down one boundary, like not replying instantly. Say, "My time's valuable." Note a time you stuck to it. Jake wrote, "Waiting to answer made her try harder." This Stoicism dating trick builds respect. Do it weekly to stay firm. Stoicism for women draws her to a guy who's rare. Seventh, know your worth. Look in a mirror, say, "I'm solid." Write one moment you felt strong, like walking away from her drama. Gabe wrote, "My workouts made me, not her approval." This Stoicism for attraction step locks in your value. Try it daily. Stoicism for men grows when you stand tall. Halfway there, guys. Pause. Stoicism for women proves you're becoming the man she can't resist. Write "I am Stoic" in the comments to join our brotherhood of unshakable men. Forge your magnetic strength now. Picture yourself a titan, her storms fading in your calm. Seneca taught, "Virtue is our only treasure." These truths, restraint, calm, indifference, scarcity, presence, purpose, clarity, self-worth, forge a path from chasing to being chased. Stoicism for women reveals, the man who masters himself is the man she craves. Where noise drowns clarity, your Stoic reign is rebellion. Marcus Aurelius taught, "Waste no time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." Claim your power now. Try the flame of clarity tonight, then write "reign" in the comments to stand with brothers forging Stoicism for attraction. Share this fire with a friend, spreading Stoic masculinity. Your reign begins now. Be Stoic. Be magnetic.